What's going on, Credit Snipers? Your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. Guys, today I have three amazing and awesome ways for you to boost your credit score in the matter of days. Guys, stay tuned. Guys, welcome back. Once again, I'm your boy Carlos Estrada Vega, best credit blueprint. Guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. It warms my heart. I'm here to help many of you, thousands of you, and I appreciate that you guys have taken the time and watching this video. Now, if you are new on our channel, hey guys, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you click like and share. Share it with 3 different people. I know that this content not only can help you, but can help many more. Now, click on that bell icon so like that you'll be notified every time that I post new videos. But also there's the option, just click on all. So like that you definitely be notified. Now, one thing that I'm going to ask you is, hey, my goal is to change the life of many thousands out there. And the only way that I'm going to be able to reach the thousands, the multitudes, is by you helping me out. Give me the thumbs up. Now that's going to help me out with the algorithms of YouTube. It's going to allow me to reach many more. Guys, so let's begin with the 3 amazing and awesome steps to boost your credit score. Now guys, one of my passions and why I teach you to increase your credit score is because without your personal credit score being on point, it's going to actually be hard for you to start your own business. At the end of the day, if your goal is to start a business, you, no matter what, will become that personal guarantor. Now, today, every day in the United States, there's more than 2,800 people becoming millionaires. Now, guys, you know how this happens is by you not only taking care of your life, taking charge and the leadership of your own life, and one of those things and one of those aspects in your life is your credit. Do you know that if your credit is over 781, you are worth about $400,000? Yes, guys. If your score is over 781 and above. So at the end of the day, 781 all the way to 850 is the same thing. So when I tell you that I have an 804, it is just bragging. But 781 and above, you are worth about $400,000. Now that means that you have the ability to not only get the credit required to start your own business and make it in the land of milk and honey. This is the United States. Guys, I come from South America, and the opportunities that were given to me in the United States, I haven't seen anywhere else. Been in the military for almost 22 years. Guys, and the opportunities that we see in this country, I'm bar none the best. So take it, use it. And what I want to do, I want to bring to you something that I was not taught, something that I had to learn in the school of hard knocks. Guys, I found my mentor helped me out. I built this credit blueprint. That's why I call it the best credit blueprint, because this blueprint was created for me in the hard times when I couldn't get any credit, when I couldn't even rent a vehicle. That's how crazy it was. I actually had to recur to go to an app to actually rent a vehicle when I actually did some travel to another state. So guys, let me help you. I've been through the ropes. I've been through the hard times. I've done it. And everything that I teach you today is something that I'm trying, and something that I try, something that I implemented with my clients, and it's something that is working today. So 3 steps. Now this morning I posted a short on utilization and the fast way to actually increase or boost your credit score. So now let me go more in depth. So utilization in your credit score is about 30% of your overall credit score. So a little trick, just in case you are in the dire need of, you need to go ahead and apply for a house loan or car loan, or a big purchase is about to come that you know that they're about to put your credit score and you need that boost. Now, little trick that I'm about to show you, or I'm about to tell you is, so let's just say creditors prefer or look for your utilization to be 30% or less. So for conversation's sake, let's just say that you have 4 credit cards and they equal to $100,000. meaning that if you have 50%, you have used $50,000 out of those $100,000, you are using 50% of your utilization of your available credit. Now the goal is to be at 30,000 or below, or 30% or below. Now let's just say that you are at 40%. Let's just say conversation say you are at 40%, and you know that this big purchase that you're about to make is coming up. So what you do is find out, let's say the credit card that has the most that you know that is going to bring you below that threshold. Find out what is the statement closing date. Now we all know what is the statement due date. It's the day that your payment is due. Now the statement closing date is usually a couple days prior to the statement due date. And this is an internal day for the banks in which they reconcile that account and they report to the credit bureau. Now your goal here is to find out, give them a call. Hey, when is the statement closing day? And they'll gladly tell you when is it. So it's usually about 4 to 5 days. So let's just say the statement due date was on the 15th and the closing day is on the 10th. Now your goal will be here is to pay the minimum payment that's supposed to be done on the due date 4 days prior to the closing date, right? What you're going to do is the day before, the 9th, let's just say that you owe what, $40,000 on this, and you know that in order to bring that to the threshold, you need to make a $30,000 payment. And I know that most of you may not have that money. What you're gonna do is this is gonna cost you about $30 because it's gonna be an overdraft and return because you never had the money in your checking account. You gotta make a payment to your credit card from your checking account, which if it hits that day on the 9th, by the 10th, you fooling the system, letting them know that you have paid over the amount, and what the system is going to do is report to the credit bureau that your threshold is way over 30% utilization. Now, you might incur the $30, $40 in overdraft fee, but you will get approved for that loan, right? A little hack, don't do it all the time, because if they catch on to it, they might just close your account. Now, hack number 2, guys. Now, many people think that gas cards are just one of the lowest cards. Let me tell you a little secret about gas cards. Let's just say Synchrony banks, for the most part, backs up a lot of this gas cards. Shell, Amoco, BP. So Synchrony Bank is one of the most forgiving banks and most generous banks. A lot of these gas cards come with MasterCard and Visa logo, which means that they can be used at a gas pump, but they can also be used at a store in order to purchase whatever you want to purchase. So it is a actual A1 type of card that will report to most of your all 3 credit bureaus. So what you do is they're easy to apply and they're easy to get verified and get confirmed for. Now what you do is you apply for these cards and you use them. Use them for the first 2-3 weeks. You gotta put a balance on it. Make sure you don't go over the 15 to 18%. At the end of the month, you are going to request for a credit line increase. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna do the 3X. Do the 3X secret. And you're gonna ask, let's just say your credit line was for $1,500. My goal here is for you to actually go ahead and ask to be increased to a $4,500. Now, this is going to increase not only your utilization, but also the ability to be able to qualify for all the big increases or big limit credit cards. Guys, that was hack number 2. Now, hack number 3, it is something that I usually use, and I love to use this credit union. The credit union is Navy Federal. Now, if you are not related to any military member, you don't have a sponsor, or you don't have any type of sponsorship, there may be a little way that you can actually open up a checking account with Navy Federal. Now, if you go online, you are going to actually try to open up a bank account or a checking account. Now, one of the good things with Navy Federal is that they give you points for every day that you actually you are a member with them. So when you go online and try to open up this account, there's going to be a number in the bottom which is asked you to call in. Why? They're going to ask you for 2 things. The first thing is they're going to ask you is, 1, how you're going to fund the account. And the second thing is what type of sponsorship you have. Meaning, are you a service member with the military, or you have anybody in your family that is related to you that was or is in the military? Now just let them know. It's been a hit or miss. Most of my clients say that, hey, they just say that my grandfather was in the military, or my brother, sister, my cousin, or my wife is, and that's it. Sometimes they ask for proof and information. So, hey, you have 50-50%. Now, if for any reason you don't get approved, give me a call. Hey, you got a friend in me. I am in the military. I could help you get in there. Now, so done with that. Let's just say you were able to open that account. Now, what you're going to do is fund the account with at least $10 to $100. Wait 7 days and then apply for a rewards Navy Federal credit card. And it's more than guaranteed that you get approved. Now, more than guaranteed that you get approved if your credit score is over 700. If it's not over 700 and you want us to help you, guys, we are the best credit blueprint, guys. Not only this, we help you to increase your credit score, but we teach you how to do it, the ins and outs. So, guys, I'm here today just giving you these 3 little tips, little things that can help you, and there are many more. We have a lot of tools in our tool bag. So let us help you. Let the best credit blueprint. I want to teach you how to fish, not just give you a fish. And not only that, if you want to start a business, guys, I have the blueprint for you to do it. So you could use my blueprint and start helping your family, helping yourself, helping your friends, and start a business. So guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. I appreciate that you took the time to listen to me. And what I want to do is, please, let me remind you, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share. Share with 3 people. I need you to click on that bell icon so like that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content, and give me the thumbs up. I want to be able to reach many, many more, because my goal in life is to help many others to be the best that they can be in this country, to actually be able to reach the 800 club, so like that they are also worth between $350,000 to $400,000. Guys, I appreciate it. Thank you for everything. My name is Carlos Estrada Vega, the best credit blueprint, and I'll see you in the next video.